Good students, today we will study about parallel lines, intersecting lines and perpendicular line. In this case we will study what is parallel line, what is intersecting line, what is perpendicular line. In first case we know about parallel line. Parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Parallel lines when two lines, the distance between two lines are same and they never meet each other or never intersect. That lines are known as parallel lines. Here L and V two lines and the distance between them is AB and here CD. CD 4 centimeter. In this case, the distance between two lines are same. Here, AB and CD are same distance between them, and L and B never meet or intersect to each other. So these types of lines are known as parallel lines. The distance between two lines are same and they never meet each other are called parallel lines. Here L and B are two parallel lines. The distance between both are same, then L parallel to B. We can write L parallel to B. This symbol is a parallel, and parallel lines here L and B are parallel lines. L parallel to B. Here the symbol of parallel is the symbol of parallel is thus as parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. Here L is the parallel to B. Okay, student. Here blackboard length are parallel to each other. The distance between two lengths are same, and here the green board's width is parallel to each other, and here length also be the parallel to each other. So these types of many examples here, mesh, length and breadth are parallel to each other, and this duster, length are parallel to each other, never intersect, and breadth also be parallel to each other, never intersect. These types of lines are known as parallel to each other. After this in second case, intersecting lines in this case, when two intersect, when two lines cut to each other at a point that point is called intersecting point. As here a line L and another line B or M intersect or cut at a point O. These lines cut at a point O. The cutting point O is known as intersecting point of these two lines. Okay, students. So O is the intersecting point by two lines. After this, perpendicular line. What is after this? In third case, perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines. When a line makes 90-degree angle at another line, that line, or when two lines intersect at 90 degree. Write this in a shortcut. When two lines intersect when two lines intersect, when two lines intersect at 90-degree angle are called parallel perpendicular lines, are called perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. Here as other line. This make angle 90 degree. Two lines L and M. M is the perpendicular line on line O, cut at O. The line L and M intersecting point A, on this point they make 90-degree angle to each other. Here we can write M perpendicular to L. Here this symbol is perpendicular symbol. This symbol is a perpendicular symbol as. So here we can write M line is the perpendicular line L. Can write in this form. So when two lines intersect at 90 degree are called perpendicular line to each other. Here M intersect and L and M intersect to O at 90 degree, then M perpendicular line on L. So, okay student, these concepts are very, very important. You write in your mathematics notebook. Okay student, after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.